The Invest Sri Lanka Investment Forum was held on the 12th of August in Singapore, showcasing Sri Lanka's investment-friendly environment and efforts to strengthen bilateral economic ties.
The new government has maintained macroeconomic consistency, helping Sri Lanka surpass recent growth expectations. While challenges do remain, the absence of major unrest, violence, or political upheavals in recent months underscores the relatively stable political environment we are in now. Sri Lanka is just not a story of recovery, it's a story of transformation. With a stable macroeconomic environment, a committed reforms agenda, and a capital market that is gaining regional traction, we believe this is a moment of alignment. Alignment between policy, performance, and potential. Whether through financial instruments, infrastructure projects, digital finance, or capital market participation, Sri Lanka offers investors a strategic gateway into a market defined by resilience, reform, and growing global relevance.
Sri Lanka's economic revival offers a compelling opportunity to strengthen and modernize our capital market, anchored in innovation, transparency, and modernize our capital market anchored in innovation. So ultimately, we are moving towards ensuring transparency and inclusivity.
Over 150 senior officials, regulators, business leaders, and global investors attended the forum.
The annual target for primary balance is 750 billion rupees, but it is happy to announce you that by the first half, we have been able to pass that target. So that means we can easily, we can maintain this particular target during the year. Already, it is around 800 something. The primary target has been achieved. Primary expenditures have been maintained within the given level.
We know we went into a deep economic crisis in 2022, where the inflation went to 70%, GDP growth negative, almost 8% contraction. So this is a story of the recovery. If you look at any country which has gone through this kind of deep economic crisis, and the recovery path is relatively faster, even compared to similar countries that went into one is a sovereign debt crisis, secondly balance of payment crisis. Historically, the worst economic crisis we experienced in Sri Lanka in 2022. Now we have much more stable political environment, a strong long-term mandate for the current government. I think it's now much easier path going forward to me. I think if past was, the last couple of years were tough, difficult, but still we were able to recover. And going forward, I think recovery should be much easier. That's why I think outlook, when you look at the recovery from second half of 2023 up to now, steady growth of last year 5%, this year will be close to 5%.
The forum was organized by the Colombo Stock Exchange and Securities and Exchange Commission in collaboration with the Sri Lankan High Commission in Singapore, with the support from key business associations and Sri Lankan Airlines.